welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Ormark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And today I wanted to talk to you about joining Stampin' Up. At the moment, there is probably one of the best offers that we have had for a long time. Sale-A-Bration is upon us, which runs from the 3rd of January through to the 31st of March. And if you join Stampin' Up at that time, or during this time, you get a whole pile of things that you can get for free, which adds on to it. So you get the most amazing things. Now, I thought that I would have a look through and see how, because I know that I've got some customers who are always sort of thinking about it and don't sort of get around to doing it and stay as customers, which is fantastic. However, I thought that I would show you how you can join Stampin' Up and make the absolute most of the starter kit and everything else. So, your starter kit, it says, build your Stampin' Up starter kit by choosing £130 worth of products for just £99. Okay, so we're spending £99, £130. Now, if you, which really enticed me this time for buying a complete suite, I bought the Peaceful Poppies suite because I absolutely love it. Now, the Peaceful Poppies suite is £127.25, and for that you get all of this. So you get the designer series paper, which is this 12 by 12 sheets, and they are just absolutely stunning, just amazing. I will show you, there's a couple which just literally take your breath away. So I have been through this in more detail. I'm going to sort of bring it up on here, but you can see it is the most beautiful paper. You don't have to do poppies in reds, you can do them in purples, you can do them, look at those gorgeous colours. I'm a purples girl, absolutely love the purples. These ones are just so simple to do cards. They've been designed that you can literally cut them in half, cut them down, put a sentiment on, and you've got your cards on there. So you get this pack of paper. Let me put this out of the way. You get the Painted Poppies bundle. So the Painted Poppies bundle is, I'm going to go through this relatively quickly, but the Painted Poppies is this absolutely lovely stamp set, which I've been doing a few things with. And you get the dies, which again are dies that I know that I am going to use again and again and again and again and again, because they have, not only do they have the ones to cut these pieces out, but you've got these beautiful frames, you've got swirls, you've got almost like a little doily finishing, you've got a little tiny piece to go across the bottom. So a die set that you will use again and again and again. These flowers, you know, yes, they are poppies. However, you can do them as cornflowers, you can do them as whatever flowers you want. You've got leaves, you've got splotches to do the grunge look. So just amazing. You then have in this, you have the Peaceful Moments, and the Peaceful Moments are fantastic sentiments. Life is better with a friend like you. Thinking of you with all my heart. These are the moments we'll look back with joy. Wishing you every happiness this special day will bring. So nice ones that aren't, you've got standard happy birthday, you've got congratulations, you've got a thank you, you've got a sympathy, but you've got other bits as well. So again, one you'll use again and again and again and again. The dies that go with this are absolutely incredible. They are detailed ones that you can create just beautiful, beautiful flowers, leaves, layers, etc. and build up. And if you look at the front of your mini catalogue, so let's put those out of the way, you will see So on here, you can see all of these poppies on here have been done with that die. So you can, you can build up absolutely everything you want. So you're going to get that. You are going to get some lovely sequins, which are these ones. So these sequins, you've got, not only have you got little, see if I can get these open, all sorts of different colours. So you've got reds and pinks and black, clear, gold, dark poppy parade, light poppy parade. You've also got little flower ones. By the time I've got this off, it'll be, ooh, let's just get this right. Okay, so you can see on here, you've got lovely ones. The nice thing is that some of them are actual little flowers, which are quite sweet. So if I get one of these out, and oh, both of those are little flowers, which are quite nice. So if I put them, where can I put them so you'll see them? Put them on there. Okay, you can actually see that that's actually shaped like a little flower. So really pretty. Always need embellishments, and you've got some great colours in there. So you've got some blacks and some golds, and you've got some reds and other colours. So that's really lovely. You get ribbon. So ribbon that is so versatile because you can colour it. So you can use our blends. You can use, if you've watched a few of my videos, you'll see I've started using this. It's really easy to tie. So you get the ribbon as well. And then you get, for just sort of starting out and doing things that you want to do, you get all of these elements. And again, I've shown some of these before. I've used a few of them. So the elements, you've got watercolor ones. They're all die cut out and embossed, so they're really easy. 2 sheets of those. 2 sheets of black with shiny black embossing on there, so for labels and stuff. You've got vellum sheets, 2 sheets of those with beautiful leaves and things. They're absolutely lovely. Put those on there so you can see them a bit better. And you've got, which what have I done with those ones? You've also got, here they are, 2 sheets of the actual poppies that are already done. So really lovely little things that you can just sort of add to a card, add as a bit of an embellishment, and there you go. So this complete set, which is a huge amount, is £127.25. Okay, add our Stampin' Up or Stampin' Right black marker. Black markers are absolutely perfect for filling in little lines, adding little bits, writing down, doing anything in black. That added to that makes exactly £130. So you have done your starter kit with all of those things that you can do, and it comes to exactly £130. So that started. All you have to do is to put the one code in, because the code does all of this, so you don't have to do loads of codes, and the code for the Stampin' Right marker. I will put them down below for you so you can see it. Okay, so let's go back to this. So we've chosen our starter kit and we've spent exactly £130. You are then going to get the mini paper cutter. Now, this mini paper cutter is really rather exciting. It's small, it's tiny, but as they say, small but perfectly formed. Comes in a nice little box, so you can keep it sort of in the box if you want to, keep it clean. It is only this size, okay? It is, basically it's the size of, let's get a stamp set. It is, if you look at it, it's the size of a stamp case, so it's small. However, it cuts perfectly 6 by 6 papers. So if you, with this, you also get, completely free, a whole selection of papers. Now, these papers, there's a great big huge wad, and I will just go through it fairly slowly. So you've got the lovely poppies, you've got the handbags, beautiful flowers, golfs and things for men with tartan stripes on there. lovely sort of floral flowers, real sort of summer feel, little birds and things for, you know, younger cards and more fun cards. And then this sort of slightly Monet-esque, but nice sort of bright sort of swirly ones on there. So you get all of that paper. Now this paper will go into the mini trimmer and cut down. So if you're wanting to do a one sheet wonder out of a 12 by 12, absolutely perfectly. You know, you can do 6 by 3 straight down there. It only goes to 4 inches. So basically your cutting surface is 6 inches by 4 inches. Or in centimetres, because it's got centimetres, 10 centimetres by... whatever that is. I'm not a centimetres person, but you can see that they are in centimetres as well. So it's quite a good little cutter that you can take with you and just have as a little extra, or keep it on your desk because it's not going to take up a huge amount of space. So I think that that is that's really good. So you are getting this and you're getting this completely free, as well as doing all of that set, which is exactly £130. So you're getting both of those. Okay. And then you can choose. So there's more, which is, that's what I was saying. It is such a good time to think about joining. Even if you just want all the products and don't want to do anything more, there's never any, you don't have to return anything. You can just turn around and go, actually, I want all of this and I want to get the whole lot for £99 and I'm not going to do anything more with it. That's absolutely fine. There is no obligation. Get it all, see what you think, read about it all. Contact me, we can talk about it, and it's entirely up to you. Just keep all the stuff and play with it and use it. That's part of joining Stamping Up. So we have one more thing. It says your choice of any stamp set offered in the current catalogue. Okay, so what I did was I have taken the, let me find this on here. Okay, so I have taken my annual catalogue and I've gone through and looked at the most expensive, because you want to get your money's worth, stamp sets. So we have A Wish for Everything, 38 cling stamps, £36. Okay, so you've got everything from Mother's, Father's, Thanksgiving, Valentine's, St. Patrick's, Hanukkah, Christmas, birthday, holidays, Easter, New Year's, absolutely everything you can think of. And it's 38 stamps and it's £36. You could choose that one absolutely free. Okay, if you want, if you're sort of into some more florals and things, you can have this one, and this is £34. 18 cling stamps, again lots of words and sayings in there. Marriage, comfort, healing, words can't express just how deeply your love and support has been appreciated. Congratulations, I love you. Nice one there. You can get the Good Morning Magnolia. This has been an exceptionally popular stamp set. It's a huge one. And it is 10 cling stamps, but this one it's a big stamp. It is £33. So you can get that one absolutely free. It's your choice. You can get this one, which is Well Said, £42, 51 cling stamps. Now I've got this one because it has just about everything you can think of as well. You know, from birthdays to brides to babies to sympathies to grooms to all of the bits together, and you can put them together and make some nice sort of sayings and things in there. So if you're wanting more sentiments, that's a good one to have. This one is, have we got one more in from there? No, that's the other one on there. Okay, and then this one, which is the Rooted in Nature. It's been very popular, but it is a very expensive stamp set. It's £39, so it's the most expensive one here. So if you wanted something for free, that's the one I would recommend. You've got some big sentiments which would take up a whole page. Thinking of You covers everything. You Are Wonderful again covers everything. And then you've got these lovely tree images, leaf images that you can build up and mix and match and put together. So that's the other one. So, you know, £39, you get that one as well, absolutely free. You can choose any of them. So you can choose ones that are 15, 16, 19, 20, 21 pounds, which are what most of our stamp sets are. However, if you want to make the absolute most of this, go for the most expensive ones because you're getting the best deal. So you get that as well. And that's basically what I wanted to come on and say. You know, you can get the most amazing deals at the moment. So if you think of, you know, you've chosen the £130 in there. You've got all of these bits here which are free. So, you know, I would say, I don't know, even at a generous guesstimate, another £20. So 130, 140, 150. Plus those stamp sets, 150, 60, 70, 80, 190. You're getting virtually £200 worth of products for £99. And you get a starter kit as well, which allows you, if you wanted to have it as a business, you get a £45 business kit to start things off. So, you know what? It's one of those things. If you are thinking of, I always think it's quite amusing when I look through the new Sale-A-Bration thing, and I look at some of these things where people are turning around and going like, oh, I want to try and get these dies. I've got to spend £90. You know, if you spent £9 more, you could get nearly £200 worth of stuff. And you know, then you've got the Sale-A-Bration for February and March where you can get all of this stuff for free as well. So that's what I wanted to come on and say. If you ever thought about joining Stampin' Up, this is the best time of year to do it. And I'd love to have you as part of my team if you would like to join, and look forward to hearing from you. And just have a look, see what you can make as a starter kit and how much you can actually get. So you just need to look through your the new mini catalogue, your annual catalogue. They're all online as well if you want to do it online and just have a browse through and see. But it is a really, really good joining offer at the moment. So thank you so much for watching me. Do look forward to seeing you again. Bye-bye.